Hi teacher, my name is Cesar Augusto Gamboa, and this is my presentation about what are you going to do. What are you going to do? I'm going to check the customer order. I'm going to enter purchase order on system. I have to agree time and delivery date of the product. I'm going to receive product. I'm going to storage product. Schedule delivery to the customer. I will follow up to the product. Freight the product for delivery to the customer. I will download the product from inventory. Deliver the product to the customer. I'm going to after sales follow up. Thank you.